In 2021, Tudor released its first standard production Black Bay Ceramic in 41. But in April 2026 at Watches and Wonders, Tudor released a new Black Bay Ceramic variant, but this time paired with a full ceramic bracelet and a more stealthy dial upgrade. Here's everything you need to know about this watch. By now, we have seen quite a few Black Bays in this matte black ceramic case, but this one does quite a few things differently. Let's start with the dial. Where we've seen matte black dials or even a bright blue dial released in 2024 in partnership with the Visa Cash App RB Formula 1 team, the 2026 version of the Black Bay Ceramic has a far stealthier look. Instead of black markers on a black dial, Tudor calls it black on charcoal, and that makes sense when you look at this watch. Unlike the previous versions, the dial isn't exactly black, it's more dark gray or anthracite, and looks even lighter thanks to the sunray finish. But what adds to the stealthiness is the darker lume paint on the black applied indices. And I have to say, for an all-black watch, this is among the best when it comes to legibility. The monobloc 41mm case is made of black ceramic with a thickness of 13.6mm, a lug-to-lug of 49.4mm, and a lug width of 21, making it slightly more compact from the previous versions that were exactly 1mm thicker at 14.6mm and had a lug width of 22. But with this slimmer case, we do lose the sapphire caseback, something we got in the 2021 black ceramic version. The case has a matte microblasted finish with beveled edges that highlight the case silhouette and adds a nice contrasting touch. We get a radially brushed ceramic bezel insert with matching darkened engraved graduations. Besides that, we still have the vintage style dome sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating on the inside, 200 meters of water resistance, and the in-house METAS-certified automatic movement, the MT5602-U, beating away at 4 Hz with a power reserve of up to 70 hours when fully wound. While the Black Bay 41 definitely wears larger than the 58's 39mm case, the optical illusion of this matte all-black case and dial makes it appear more like a 40mm watch on my 15.8cm wrist. Behind the solid caseback in black PVD coated steel sits the METAS-certified in-house movement that is extremely well built, with up to 15,000 Gauss of anti-magnetism, making it perfect or even over-engineered for our extremely electronic world. The bracelet is now made entirely of scratch-resistant matte black ceramic with a 3-link design that's been specifically developed for the Black Bay Ceramic, which is also why instead of the T-fill clasp, we now get a proprietary double folding clasp. This is the first fully ceramic bracelet by the brand and opens up a lot of doors for Tudor to explore full ceramic watches in other collections as well. I personally would love to see a full ceramic Black Bay 1, the non-dye version. Also, as ceramic watches can be made in all colors, it would be interesting to see Tudor play with more colors in the near future. Imagine a ceramic Tudor Ranger in a sand beige ceramic case. That would be cool. One thing that gives this watch its great value proposition, besides the fact that it's a Tudor with the iconic Black Bay design, is the movement. While you can find a Formax in full ceramic case for around half the price, the Ganesi manufactured MT caliber with 70 hours of power reserve and a guaranteed precision of up to +5 seconds per day doesn't even come close to the Soprod used in the Formax. That's not a bad watch by any stretch, it's just that Tudor makes every other ceramic luxury watch seem overpriced. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Visit Swiss Connection Watches for more exceptional watches. Also do subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. Thanks.